Part 2, getting the fuel filter put on and putting some oil in it. Got my Miller Lite there. We got a spark plug too. Getting in oil filter, fuel filter. So the flow is this way. So we'll put that in right there. It could fit in there. And I want the letters where we could see them. Alright, there's that. Someone's turning in. I wonder if it's my parts. Morning. That one. You're welcome. It's the doctor's for my aunt. See it? That's the Dante's doctors coming to check on her, the house check thing. You leaving? Yeah. Bye, Miss Larry. Be careful. This thing will get on there. Just give me a minute. It's trying. Alright, we'll just leave it there, I guess. Put this Canon, hook the Canon filter up. Dang, that's a tight fit. Alright. It's installed. So that's what it looks like in there. Don't look too bad. We needed a fuel filter. Yeah. I love K&N parts so far. Anyway, I'm gonna put some fuel and oil in it, see if there's any leaks, and we'll go from there. I'll see you in the next video.